Hi Gemini, welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for Gemini June 1st to June 3rd. No? Gemini, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell para po ma-notify kayo every time na tayo nag-release ng bagong video. No? Moving forward, gumagawa din po tayo ng everyday video sa kabilang channel, which is Babaylan TV. Yun po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So medyo complicated yung mga readings doon. If you want to check, you're very much welcome. At nagla-live din po tayo doon sa Babaylan TV. No? So kung gusto nyo sumali, welcome po kayo. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman po kayo magtanong dito sa comment section. As long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Kung feeling nyo po hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, meron pa rin po kayong form na pwede kayo mag-type. No? Dito po sa description box, nandun po yung link. No? Either you have to click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my page. Meron po dong form. You can drop down the form, type in your question, read the instructions, and click submit. If you also want to avail the private reading, nandun din po yun sa kabilang channel. No? I mean, sa description box, rather. Ayan, so Gemini, this is a general reading. I want you to know that you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading or the entire reading per se. Take what's only yours. Gemini. So parang sa'yo, either kinakabahan ka or ready ka na. No? Kasi parang nakikita mo na seryoso na itong relasyon or paseryoso na. So parang nakakakaba. Yung parang na-imagine mo yung sarili mo walking down the aisle, no? Or nakikita mo yung sarili mo kung lalaki ka naman. You're waiting for your person to walk down the aisle, no? Nandun na yung imagination natin papunta sa kasal na, no? Or either building a family. Ngayon, kasi siguro wala ka pang experience sa ganitong relasyon, no? Na ganito kaseryoso. Kaya, medyo excited, na kinakabahan, na medyo hindi natin alam kung ano yung totoo nating nararamdaman, pero alam mo masaya, no? Masaya na nakakatakot na ewan. With the Sun, the Page of Coins, and the Eight of Cups. Ang dumating pa nga doon sa part na either yung ibang Gemini dito, no? Either kailangan may iwan kang ibang tao, just to pursue this person, or kung hindi naman, nagkaroon kayo ng separations before, na kinontinue na nila lang itong relationship ninyo. With the Six of Coins and the Ten of Coins, tapos nung nagkaroon kayo ng chance, no, either ibalik yung relationship, doon mo nakita yung effort niya. So, doon sa mga nagkaroon ng separations, whether it is physical or energetic separations, sometimes sinasabi nga natin, alam mo, minsan nagpapasalamat tayo sa separations. Kasi doon niya makikita yung halaga, no? So, dumating doon sa part na nakita niya yung halaga mo. Kaya nandito siya na nag-e-effort ngayon with the Three of Coins, the Chariot, and the Queen of Wands. Yung iba naman, willing pa nga, no? I think someone here comes from a different city, state, or country. Uuwi pa nga dito, no? Yung iba, I feel like, no, pwedeng foreigner itong karelasyon ninyo. With the Three of Swords and the Star, I feel like babawi ito dahil kung meron mga part, no, na sabihin natin nasaktan ka niya, sabihin hindi ka ngayon sinasadya, pero nandun na nga, nasaktan ka, hindi yun excuse, sinadya o hindi yun excuse. Kaya nandito siya para ipakita sa'yo, no, na ready siya. I think kaya ka natatakot kasi ipapakilala mo to sa pamilya mo, no? Meron din ditong part na baka mamaya hingi talaga yung kamay mo. Masyashock din yung mga taong nakapaligid, no? So, anyway, congratulations. Nakakatakot, nakakakaba, pero seryoso, eto na, pinasok mo yan eh. Ginusto mo yan, di ba? So, this is your reading. Tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng taong mahal mo. It could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Aquarius, no, I'm seeing Sagittarius, Leo, Cancer, Taurus. I am seeing Pisces, Virgo, Capricorn. So this is your reading for now, Gemini. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Take advantage on the many ways on how you can ask questions. And if you also want to avail the private reading, nandun po siya sa description box. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.